Stretching for health and mobility and flexibility. Welcome to your comprehensive guide on stretching, a simple yet powerful practice that can transform your health, flexibility, and mobility. Based on cutting-edge research and expert recommendations, this presentation will walk you through everything you need to know about incorporating effective stretching into your daily routine. Whether you're an athlete looking to improve performance, someone recovering from injury, or simply wanting to maintain good health as you age, the evidence-based tips in this guide will help you unlock the lifelong benefits of regular stretching. Let's explore how this fundamental practice can enhance your overall well-being and quality of life, supported by insights from leading health researchers and physical therapy experts. Why stretch? Number 1. Muscle maintenance. Regular stretching helps keep your muscles lean, long, and flexible. This optimal muscle condition supports proper movement patterns and overall physical function throughout life. Number 2. Injury prevention. When muscles are tight and restricted, you significantly increase your risk of strains, tears, and joint pain. Consistent stretching helps safeguard your body against these common injuries. Number 3. Healthy aging. As we age, muscles naturally tighten and shorten. Regular stretching counteracts this process, helping maintain freedom of movement and independence well into your later years. Key health benefits. Number 1. Improved circulation. Stretching increases blood flow to your muscles, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen while removing metabolic waste. This enhanced circulation promotes faster recovery and overall tissue health. Number 2. Enhanced range of motion. Regular stretching progressively improves your body's ability to move through greater ranges of motion. This increased flexibility translates to better performance in both athletic endeavors and everyday activities. Number 3. Nervous system regulation. The gentle, sustained pressure of stretching activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and digest mode, counteracting stress responses and promoting overall relaxation. Number 4. Cardiovascular support. Research indicates that consistent stretching practices can help lower blood pressure and improve arterial health, contributing to better cardiovascular function and reduced disease risk. Flexibility and mobility explained. Number 1. Flexibility. Flexibility refers specifically to the ability of your muscles to lengthen and stretch. When muscles are flexible, they can extend to their full length without resistance or discomfort. Good flexibility allows muscles to relax and contract efficiently through their complete range, supporting proper biomechanics and reducing unnecessary tension. Number 2. Mobility. Mobility encompasses the ability of your joints to move freely through their intended ranges of motion. It involves not just muscle flexibility, but also joint health, motor control, and coordination. Optimal mobility requires healthy joint structures, proper neural control, and balanced muscle activity around each joint complex. Number 3. Why both matter. Both flexibility and mobility naturally decline with age and inactivity, but regular stretching can significantly slow this process. From reaching overhead to tie your shoes to performing complex athletic movements, the combination of good flexibility and mobility forms the foundation for lifelong physical capability. Stretching and posture. Number 1. Correct alignment. Stretching alleviates tightness in muscles that pull the spine out of proper alignment. Number 2. Balances muscle groups. Creates equilibrium between opposing muscle groups for optimal posture. Number 3. Complements core work. Works with core strengthening exercises for comprehensive posture improvement. Number 4. Reduces discomfort. Helps alleviate back, neck, and joint pain caused by poor posture. When certain muscles become tight, particularly in the chest, shoulders, and hip flexors, they create imbalances that affect your entire skeletal alignment. Regular stretching of these problem areas can dramatically improve your posture, creating a more balanced, pain-free body position that supports better breathing, reduced strain, and a more confident appearance. Mental and emotional perks. Number 1. Mindfulness practice. Creates space for present moment awareness. Number 2. Stress reduction. Activates parasympathetic nervous system. Number 3. Emotional release. Releases tension held in body tissues. Number 4. Pain management. May reduce chronic discomfort. The mind-body connection during stretching creates powerful psychological benefits. The slow, intentional movements serve as a form of moving meditation, creating mental space and calm. Research shows that regular stretching can significantly reduce anxiety, improve mood, and enhance sleep quality by triggering the body's relaxation response. Many people report that stretching helps them process emotions, particularly those stored in the body as physical tension. This emotional release complements the physical benefits, creating a comprehensive wellness practice. Types of stretching. There are 4 main types of stretching. Static stretching is holding a position for 20 to 60 seconds. Dynamic stretching consists of active, controlled movements through range of motion. PNF stretching consists of contract-relax technique with partner or prop. Ballistic stretching is not recommended and consists of bouncing or jerking movements. Different stretching techniques serve different purposes. Static stretching creates lasting flexibility improvements but may temporarily reduce power output, making it ideal after exercise. Dynamic stretching enhances functional mobility and serves as excellent preparation before physical activity. Simple stretching routine. Number 1. Warm up, 3 to 5 minutes. Begin with light cardio movements such as marching in place, arm circles, or gentle walking to increase blood flow and prepare muscles for stretching. Never stretch cold muscles as this increases injury risk. Number 2. Full body sequence, 12 to 15 minutes. Progress systematically through major muscle groups: neck, gentle tilts and rotations, shoulders, crossbody and overhead reaches, back, cat-cow, child's pose, hips, lunges, pigeon pose, and legs, hamstring, quadricep, and calf stretches. Number 3. Proper technique. Hold each static stretch for 20 to 30 seconds without bouncing. Breathe deeply, exhaling as you deepen each stretch. Aim for a sensation of tension but not pain. Repeat each stretch 2 to 4 times, gradually increasing your range. Number 4. Daily consistency. For optimal results, perform dynamic stretches in the morning to energize your body and static stretches in the evening to release accumulated tension. Even 5 to 12 minutes daily delivers significant benefits. Start now. Enjoy lifelong rewards. Number 1. Consistency is key. The greatest benefits come from regular practice. Aim for daily stretching sessions, even if they're brief. Just 5 to 12 minutes each day will yield better results than an hour-long session once a week. Number 2. Lifelong independence. Regular stretching directly correlates with maintained mobility and independence as you age. Studies show that flexible adults experience fewer falls, better balance, and greater ability to perform daily activities without assistance. Number 3. Mental wellness. The mind-body connection fostered through stretching contributes to emotional resilience, stress management, and improved mood. These psychological benefits complement the physical advantages for comprehensive well-being. Remember that stretching is a journey, not a destination. Begin at your current level of flexibility and gradually progress. Even those with significant mobility limitations can benefit from modified stretching programs. The most important step is simply to begin.